Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to ReadPK and from welcome back from a week ago. I stopped uploading videos, so let's try again. Some problems occur in everyone's life. So for today's, I'll share my screen with you about the topic which we left. It is a question which is used normally, like, is England a city or is any country a city? That type of question. So seen is used for from sawal. Sawal is a question in Arabic. Sawal. Seen is used from sawal, and Q is used from question. So is England a city? So in Arabic we say it Hal England Medina. It is Injitra, but you can say England as you pronounce this country's name as it is, like Hal is Hal England Medina city. So what will the answer? Answer will be no. La. England isn't a city. England laysatul Medina. Laysatul is not. So England is not Medina. England laysatul Medina. England is a country. England al-balad. England al-balad. Balad means country. The next question is, and London? Some person who is not known about this England or its capital or its city. So he asks again, and London? Is London a city or a country? So what will the question in Arabic? Wa London. And London? Wa London? هل لندن مدينة أم البلد؟ هل London? Is London Medina city balad or country? He is asking a question like, wa London, what about the London? Wa London. Hal London al Medina wa balad. So it is used for all purpose in a casual way. So answer, I think. Who is this? The next question is man haza. Who is this? It's the most common word. I will make this video again from other examples also. So thanks for today, and practice some short words in your daily routines for 5 minutes. So it will make you happy because I enjoy learning language. So it's make me to live again. So be proud on me that I am learning something, and it makes your emotions also in a positive way. So please like and subscribe ReadPK for future lectures. So thank you so much for today. I hope we will meet again. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.